What's happening, sisters? It's your girl, Toni, and I am here to report on the fact that we are now finished with week 5 of our Get Snatched weight loss journeys. I can't believe it's going by so fast. But anyway, everybody, everything is going well. Now, this week, I kind of fell off a little bit. I didn't really cheat, and I didn't pretty much ate within my window. It's just that I found it a little harder this week to stay motivated to do my exercises. Now, I did do it, I think, 4 times this week. I pretty much hit my steps, every day, but I just wasn't I was just feeling kind of in a funk, and I didn't exercise as much as I wanted to. So it's okay though. I did exercise some days, and I did do my steps most of the days. So I'm still putting everything in my journal as well. So that is really helping me stay on top of things, so I can really take a look at what I really am doing. So everything is still going pretty good though. I can feel like I lost something, so I'm gonna keep it up and I'm gonna step it up. So this week I think I could talk about just getting motivated. If you guys look in our mind and spirit or whatever section here for Get Snatched, I added some videos of music that has like that affirmations. It gives you affirmations, and I think I posted that last week. This week also I posted a young lady, Janelle, that was a really good video. I followed her for a while, and she lost 100 pounds, but she gained back 80 of those pounds. So now she's back on her journey again. But it's really good because she's a Christian young lady, and she really had her, Jesus and God a part of her journey the first time around. And then, you can go and look at it and see, but it's like she kind of got away from that and kind of got a little vain, and then stuff hit her. So now she's gained back 80 pounds. So now she's on a new journey to get rid of that. But I think she learned what she needed to learn, which is we have to stay motivated and stay focused on what our goals are and what we're trying to do, and don't get away from it or get distracted by other stuff. You lose a couple little pounds, you think you're cute, and then, ooh, I'm ready to go out here and go party and go get me some burgers and fries, because, and honey, the fact that I ain't had no chicken wings and, yeah, honey. I already know this is a good thing. So, but yeah, you can get full of yourselves and get off track, and then you right back where you started. Okay, and that is something that we all have to really sit down. Like I said, since we're doing this for a year, you got some time, but then again, that time will go by so fast. We'll be here this time next year and still looking at ourselves like, damn, it's been a year already. I didn't finish, because you get distracted. So I would say this week is really has been for me working on my motivation. And as I said, those videos are really good to sleep by. I added that, like I said, that young lady, so you can hear some testimonies from some other people, so you can see how they pulled it together and how they are gonna stay motivated for the rest of their journey. Okay, because we're gonna have ups and downs. I have lost and found many a pound Okay, so it's just I am starting to really get more into myself to understand what is my purpose and what am I doing. Right now, I'm staying so motivated because I want to get my health in order, really due to this pandemic and the fact that I want to get my immune system up as best that I can and do everything that I can to do that. I've started taking some different supplements as well. I started taking a probiotic, and I take elderberry, and I take vitamin D, okay, which are all things that are good really to help your immune system, because believe it or not, the probiotic is so helpful because your gut health is important. I know you hear a lot of that on a lot of these things, but I'm thinking about us as a people. Egyptians used to take enemas all the time because that is really where a lot of your health is. I don't care what you're doing, you can be as healthy and eating and whatever, but if you full of, you know what, you in trouble because your blood is going past that, and then that's what drags you down, and you start getting tired and can't hardly do nothing because your blood is passing over that waste that is in your system, and especially when you eat a lot of meat. Okay, and so nothing against meat because I love it, but I've been transitioning over to eat more fish, pretty much fish, and some chicken is about all I eat. Now, every now and then, I usually once a month, I try to eat some liver, and I'll have a beef like burger or whatever because me, I'm anemic. So, I need to eat some iron rich type of meat to keep my stuff up. So I do. I try to do that once or twice a month, and to make sure that once again I'm eating what I need to eat in order to keep my blood straight and get it together, because that anemic stuff, woo, that's the worst feeling in the world. That and being dehydrated, that's another thing. Making sure you drink enough water, and that's something I haven't done. I really have been using my 32-ounce mason jar cup as my way of trying to keep track of what I'm doing, and pretty much it's been working pretty good. I've been drinking at least two of them in addition to coffee, tea, or whatever that I drink every day. So all that is going well. So anyway, that's it for week 5. Can y'all believe it? Oh my God, it's getting there. So I'm gonna go another. I was gonna weigh myself again week 8. So I gotta bump it up so I can really try to see that I made an impact after week 8. So that'll be 2 months worth. So we shall see, people. And all I can say, y'all, is just keep doing what you're doing. Keep posting. Keep coming back to the group. I'm going to keep making these videos every week until we get to week 52 so we can see where you're at. Because, baby, I'm going to be so fine. Oh, it's going to be something. So, anyway, let's get ready for week 6. And I think with this week, I'm really going to work on my core. I've been doing exercises for my upper and lower. I've been using my resistance bands to do those muscles. And then for my cardio, I've been doing like this seated Zumba class. And you guys should check that out in the workout section. It's really fun and it's seated. So if you really are having problems, or you really need something a little more low impact, I would suggest checking that one out. And it's really good. She really revs you up and gets your heart rate up. So anyway, that's it for this week. I'll see you guys next time, and keep it up. Get snatched, ladies.